Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, I have here my iPhone 17 Pro Max and I'll be looking at standby mode. Now of course, if you place your device on a bedside table such as your iPhone, when you charge it overnight and you place it in this orientation as seen here, which is the horizontal stance in terms of placing it sideways, you'll find that it will activate standby mode. Now of course, standby mode is when the device is charging, turn to its side, and of course, as you can see, this device is currently charging. So if as long as it's charging and it's turned in this way, you'll find that you'll get the standby mode. Now I have a stand here and I've turned it to the side and I've plugged it in, and as you can see, it's now showing standby mode. I'm going to show you to customize this mode. By default, simply place your device on its side and plug it in, and it will activate on the iPhone 17 or these newer devices. Now, if you need to directly customize the option, it's very easy. You're going to go into settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to scroll down. So you start at the top, scroll down. You're going to search for standby. Standby is right here. Go ahead and tap. And here is the customization for standby mode. Now, in order to turn it on in case it's off, or you might have turned it off for whatever reason, simply go ahead and here where it says standby, make sure that's on. And it says standby will turn on when your iPhone is placed on its side, as we just showed earlier, while charging, to show information like widgets, photo frames, or clocks. All right, so of course you saw earlier the clock, so you have the option here that says display. If you tap on it, you'll have you can turn display off, and of course I've set it to automatically, or you can set it to turn off the display after 20 seconds or never. All right, you can at night you have night mode, so if you do not like night mode, you can turn it off, but I recommend that you keep it on, as night mode is less it's less distracting in terms of the amount of light that the display shows. Motion to wake, you can turn that on or off. That makes it convenient to use. All right, so we're gonna go back. All right, so next, notifications. You can have notifications be shown, and of course critical notifications will be shown in standby if this is switches off. All right, so you can turn that off if necessary. So if you want notifications to be shown, keep it on as here, and if you don't want notifications, turn it off. But as it's saying here, the critical ones will still come through. And last, show preview and tap only. If, for example, the information is shown, you only want what's to be seen when whatever notifications coming in to be shown when you tap them, go and turn this on. Otherwise, if it's off, they'll just show. All right, so tap to show, turn that on. All right, so those are the customizations for now that's allowed for the standby mode, and maybe newer ones will be added later on, so they're quite nice. So definitely check that out. And if you have your device and you tend to charge overnight, you can always utilize the standby mode, which is basically like a free bedside lamp that's conveniently designed into your phone. All right, so that was useful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.